In this video, I'll show you how to enable one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. One-handed mode makes it much easier to use your phone with just one hand by temporarily reducing the screen size, making everything easier to reach. Let's see how to activate it. First, open the app drawer and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Here you'll find the option called One-Handed Mode. Tap on it. Now turn on the toggle to enable one-handed mode. When this feature is enabled, your phone will temporarily shrink the screen, making it easier to control your device with one hand. Next, you can choose how you want to activate it. You'll see two options: gesture or button. We select a button. If you select button, you can activate one-handed mode by double-tapping the home button. If you select gesture, you can enable one-handed mode by swiping down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. Once activated, the screen will shrink, making it easy to access everything with one hand. You'll also see arrow buttons on the side, which allow you to move the screen to the left or right side, depending on which hand you're using. To return to the normal screen size, simply tap anywhere outside the smaller screen area. And that's it! You've successfully enabled one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series device, making it much easier to use your phone with one hand. Thanks for watching.